Hey guys, I'm back with a video, and I will be doing an origami airplane. And even though that Nani already did one, like origami, we're probably gonna be doing some later. And I'll just tell you a secret: Nani's doing a slime video. I think he's doing a slime. Just don't tell him I said that. But now we will get on. I usually don't record on my computer, but I guess today I am. But focus there. Usually, all you have to do first is fold it in half. And together we will find the end. It's called the belly fold. Okay, so you open it and you fold this to the crease. Then another one. You fold it up. And by the way, I learned this from my dad when I was little. Yeah. So fold this. There's actually no crease here. Well, there is a crease, but there's no real place to put it. So you want to just make this about right here. Right in the middle. Enough so this can go back. So you make this part. And then you try to get even out. That might be a little bit hard. Okay. You fold this back. And then from here, you fold this back and then you flip it over. And then you fold back. And you should have something that looks like this. And now what you want to do is you want to just like this. And then fold the wing backwards. So now one side is folded onto this side. All of this. And you flip it over if you want. I guess it doesn't really matter. And then you fold back once again. Line it up. And we're done. And then you just flatten out the wings. And then let's test this baby. Okay, ready? You want to hold it like this. And it's 1, 2. Only if I had more room. Here, oh. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.